Hi, this is Joshua Crawford, Managing Director of the recruiting firm PROPRIUS. Welcome to the Get Hired Secret Show. On today's show, we'll discuss how to prepare for a potential job loss. So, what do you do when you have that gut feeling of impending doom about your job? Is the writing on the wall? Are you about to be laid off or fired? Is the company going under? Or is it something that's going to come out of the blue that you no longer have a position? If you have these feelings, then now is the time to take action in order to soften the blow. You need to start today to get your affairs in order. If the axe falls, you'll be in a much better position than your coworkers, I guarantee it. If you follow these steps and nothing happens, you'll still be in a much better place than you are right now. First off, is your resume up to date? If you have not updated it in a few years, now is the time. You may want to consider getting resume and interviewing training. You need to put your best foot forward. You want to start sending it out before or right after you become unemployed. Check out our website, www.gethiredsecrets.com, for tips, trips, and training. You need to start your job search immediately. Searching for a new job can be a full-time job by itself. Do your job skills need updating? While you are working, it may be a good time to take a few extra classes and update your skill set, or you can start training for a new career. You may want to sign up for a temp agency as well, now so they can place you later. Advantages of a temp agency are they pay fairly well, they find a job for you, you won't be competing with dozens of others for a position, and you can usually start immediately. Start networking. Ask everyone you know if they are aware of any job openings. If you have not lost your job yet, explain to them that you may be laid off and will be looking for a new job soon. Maybe they can give you a contact name with the company or someone to send your resume to. Start the process now. And as I mentioned in my podcast yesterday, get your financial house in order. This is always easier said than done. If you're like most people, you may already be living paycheck to paycheck and there's nothing extra. If you become unemployed, you need as much cash as you possibly can to carry you through. Most experts recommend 3 to 6 months of cash to meet your living needs. What if you can't find a job for 8 months or a year? Gather all the cash reserves or sources of cash, and just start saving as much as possible to meet your needs. If you are laid off, make sure you fill out any paperwork for unemployment benefits you may qualify for immediately. You will get through this. We'll all get through this, I promise. It just may take a little time. Start taking these important steps today, and you'll feel far better prepared for tomorrow. For more tips, tricks, and training, check out gethiredsecrets.com. Again, that's gethiredsecrets.com. Until next time, be safe, be healthy, and be blessed.